Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Don't push. Come on. Yeah, Dina. Excuse me. Why you like this? Hey. Whoa. Eat first. Drink too much, cannot. Okay, eat first. Come on. Eat your food first. Come on. Okay. Come on. Ignore her. Shaki. Ignore her, please. Shakina, don't put down. Eat. Shaki. Come on. You eat Zen. You don't like this? I thought you like it, what? Yeah. Say, come on. Sayang, eat. Don't like that. Sit properly. Shaki, sit properly. Ignore her, Shaki. Shaki.
Ya.
Kenapa tak letak tomato?
Oh, sorry. Jadi mobil banyak sayur tu.
Kina, eat Sam. You start put your leg on the table, Kina. Come on. It's okay. Eat properly. Sam. I think this shirt is too big already, you know. No, don't disturb this. Oh, I forgot to give you tomato, right? Take mommy one. Shaki, you only licking, you're not eating, you know. Shaki, eat Sam. Shaki, eat Sam. Come on. I think the chicken go out from the farm. That's why so many flies. Carrot, use carrot. No, eat carrot. Come on. That's good. Eat carrot then. Come on, eat. You okay? Come on, eat. Shaki, eat, Sam. Shaki. Shaki, come on. Hey. Shaki must eat, Shaki. Whoa, 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 whoa. Drink too much. Eat fast, eat fast, eat fast, Sam. Eat fast, Sam. Wait, now, wait, Sam, wait, Sam. Eat fast, Sam. You drink too much. Okay, eat. Okay. Okay. Eat the food, come on. Why you put the food outside the plate? Hmm? Internet buka tak?
Apa?
Internet.
Nak pakai ke?
Tak lah. Come on, eat, Sam. To eat that, Shakina sit down. Okay. Shaki eat dessert first, yeah? Okay, come on. I'm worried we don't want to eat, no? Don't only take the syrup, Shaki. You are very, very terrible to give it, you know. Always got problem. Daniel? This also one more. Learning from your mom. Attitude. Just eat. Don't choose. Same like your mom, you know. Your attitude. This don't eat, that don't eat. Don't choose it. You see, after you take, you throw back, right? I'm not going to give you sugar anymore. So I need to wash. Okay. Done, yeah?